Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Windows version, Fortnite client, and that you have administrator rights. Once confirmed, make sure third-party antivirus is temporarily disabled so it's not interfering. Next, open Windows Security and navigate to Firewall and Network Protection. Click Allow an app through Firewall. You're taking the first actionable steps now. Find Epic Games Launcher and Fortnite in the list. If they are missing, you'll add them manually. This prevents common block issues before deeper fixes. Once done with app allowances, you add specific firewall rules. Create new inbound and outbound rules for Epic Games Launcher. EXE and Fortnite Client Win64 shipping. EXE. Make sure to allow both TCP and UDP. Next, configure port forwarding on your router. Map the Fortnite ports to your device's IP. Common UDP ports matter for matchmaking. To avoid changing mappings later, assign a static IP or DHCP reservation for your PC or console. You finish by restarting the PC, router, and Epic Games Launcher so new rules take effect. After reboot, launch Fortnite and attempt a quick match to verify connectivity and check your NAT type. Open or moderate NAT is ideal. If the game still reports a firewall error, don't panic. Reset Windows Firewall to defaults, then immediately reapply only the necessary Epic and Fortnite rules to avoid configuration drift. This troubleshooting tip often clears hidden conflicts that simple allows don't resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.